record. See if this actually works. Should be good now.
Five-day pack.
Mm-hmm.
Bags. Why have I got 2 VWAPs on me?
Yeah, also not bad.
2 Globex
But
VWAPs.
it's too high for me. Ah, Brian's coming in. Hello, Brian.
Hi, gang.
Hello.
Hey.
Morning.
Maybe a good morning salute.
I definitely don't have a camera on, and I definitely just did a salute. Brian, did you shave half your face?
Wow.
I can't see. I'm
Nice.
You definitely had half a mustache.
Is he gone? Oh no, he's gone.
Yeah, you missed it. Too bad.
Ah.
Good. Nice.
What did I got for you?
Hey, you did. The batteries ran out of the shaver.
Nice.
I used to do that for JoJo.
Turn sideways. Turn
Yeah,
back
I
the
just a little schizophrenic, eh? Where am I today? Am I
Nice.
yeah? And actually, I'd have like a full beard, right? Or
Nice.
one side you're a detective.
Now go see your son
Brian.
like that. See what they look like. See how they look at you in the facility.
Well, that's I'm glad some and actually it makes sense, Craig. You're very, very observant. So that's cool that you picked up. I noticed that neither Kiran or Daniela saw that. But I was kind of wondering. I'll just stay with the camera.
I didn't even look at the cameras, to be honest.
For a second, I thought it was a shadow, and then I like made the screen bigger. I was like, nope, he definitely didn't shave half his face.
Buddy.
So that means on your left screen you have the Google Meet loaded on, and on the right screen you have currently a online porn casting, or with a
actually I would have my hat.
Or on the left camera you have us, on the right camera you got a online casting.
Well, what do you think, boys? Is it up?
Or on the left camera you have us.
Yeah,
yes. Yes, it's going up.
I took a long on ES
gold
here,
is
so we'll
going
see.
up. Gold is going up.
Gold's at a resistance line right now, huh?
Yep.
Is gold up though? Or is gold down?
Let's see on the
Holding
day.
on by the skin of its teeth, I think. Just about.
Yeah, it's down on the day. Yeah.
Ooh, wow, that's quite a. Summer doldrums drags on.
Yeah.
Hey.
Did a truck just drive through your house?
You can hear that?
Oh, sorry, guys. I just
Can you hear that?
working on the freeway.
Yeah, right. This isn't the
No, it's
freeway
all-
anymore.
it's
This
all
is like a
good.
living room.
You put it in Joshua.
You're just like, this fucking construction in Vancouver, they just keep building. They're building a freeway right through my living room.
Yeah, this is kind of a bad idea moving here a couple years ago, but we're done. So I'm gonna head up. Actually, Andrew and I are gonna get a place.
Yeah. When are you moving?
Well, I'll officially move in September 1st, but I'm gonna go grab a storage locker now, and I'm just gonna start slowly moving my shit out of here through the next month. Here's
Nice.
the Sky Train.
Yeah.
You hear that?
Yeah, I recognize that sound.
I recognize that sound.
Oh yeah, just
most
from
most of the time I don't have the window open. It's like double pane windows.
Oh, I thought you were making a joke, Kevin, because like they definitely don't have those in New Mexico.
Oh yeah, we don't have. Yeah, we don't. Not here, but
SkyTrain.
we do have a disaster. There was actually like a complete disaster of a bus infrastructure project that got built over the last few years, where the mayor, the mayor is literally like a construction guy, and he just like talked. I don't know. Somehow he like scammed the whole city and built this horrible bus system that they this is just like recently everybody's all mad about. They literally like ruined a whole area of town by like fucking up the traffic and just, I don't know, it was a disaster.
Yeah, they did that back in Santa Clarita where I lived in California. Fucked everything up.
Like monorail. Monorail.
Monorail.
Remember that?
Yeah.
Simpsons?
Oh yeah, from The Simpsons. Yeah, monorail. Oh yeah, totally. That episode. It's the same exact thing.
We did.
That's what happened here, pretty much. Oh man, that's a great episode. They're on like the test run, and it's like shit's like flying off the train. You know, it's like falling apart.
Yeah, I used to know the words to that song.
Monorail, monorail, monorail.
So, and we're gonna actually, Andrew like rents a house, but he has like 2 roommates. One of them's going back to like Russia, and the other one's he's just gonna kick him out. And we're gonna just totally trick out the house, so like a traitor.
Make it a smart home.
No, stupid home. Don't want the but the trader's smart. Smart traders.
Kind of
Stupid house.
smart.
You just need to make it so you can yell like Alexa, place order.
Oh, I hate that shit. I hate that shit.
I know, dude.
I absolutely hate that stuff.
Alexa,
And
I asked people I've
there will never be one of those things in my house.
Same here. Yeah,
Yeah,
I
clearly.
was going for a present one Christmas, and it never left the box.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't have one
Yeah,
of
that's
those.
a good
But
point.
when I lived in California, I had like the smart AC and stuff, so I could adjust it all on my phone. Shit was dope. Never had to get out of bed at night when it was super hot. That was the best.
Yeah, previously in East Germany, I mean, they had police officers and stuff coming into your place, sticking on these microphones or how is this called? These small things into there. And now everybody's having an Alexa, and oh, it's so convenient. It's so nice. So
Yeah,
it's
It just listens and tracks everything you do all the time.
yeah, totally.
in
Yeah,
totalitarian
But your
dictators.
phone does that anyway, probably.
As
So,
well, yeah.
Not
yeah,
to
totally.
the same degree.
Yeah,
Alexa tracks everything.
totally.
My understanding is that if it's near like your refrigerator, it tries to determine like how many times you've opened and closed your refrigerator or how many times you use a microwave, like things that don't make any fucking sense to track.
You'd be surprised.
I mean, I get why they're tracking it. I'm just saying, like, really. Whereas your phone typically only turns on when it hears your voice.
That we know of.
That we, yeah.
Well, there's people that have done extensive testing on it, right? So like the microphone on your phone, for instance, has like noise canceling, so like traffic doesn't get picked up, right? Whereas Alexa would technically pick that stuff up.
Yeah. What happens if you're like? What happens if you're like, Alexa, can you show me all stocks with less than 50 million shares out and a price of cash under 1?
Dude, if it worked, would you go buy an Alexa?
No.
I might. That'd be convenient as shit.
I still would. I wonder what it would say though. Well, Kevin, does Alexa call you by your name? It doesn't call you by your name, does it? Does it like?
I have no idea. I don't have one.
My mom has one. It drives me nuts.
I don't mind them. If I had my own house and I had a smart home, I'd probably have something like that or like that, either that one or something else. Do you hear about all the people that are named Alexa that want to like sue Amazon though, because they get like made fun of all the time? Well, like I feel bad for like the kids, right? Because kids are evil, man. So in school, you have these like elementary school kids. They're like, who's got got a classmate named Alexa, and they're like, Alexa, what's the answer? Like stuff like that.
Yeah.
Or Alexa, what's 2 + 2? Or whatever. Like, they just, I guess it's like really affecting them mentally. There's this huge article that came out about it in US Today. Made me laugh. Because I never thought about that, right? Like,
oh yeah, I'm sure they torture them.
Sober.
That's why I'm gonna name my kid Siri.
At least that's a lot less common of a name than Alexa.
I hate all those fucking ladies, man. Like Windows, Cortana, she could fucking shut that shit off.
Cortana's terrible, man. Cortana's terrible.
Fucking
Man,
bitches.
I just don't use any of that crap. And like I said, I would rather get on my phone. I've got one like super fancy phone. In fact, I have all of the phones here. I can show you. I have all the phones that Julian has bought me since the day one we started the business.
And if they just never left the box or what?
Right on my desk. There they are. There's
Oh, wow.
the first one. Then he bought me back. Look at that. The cover's coming off of it and everything. I don't know if you can see that or not. Where's the camera?
Jeez, Brian, what do you do to your phones?
It's just shitty plastic and age. There's my phone. And so I use this just to telephone. And then Julian bought me like this most recent, cell phone that you fucking launch rockets with. But I'm not gonna fucking connect that to a telephone. No way. So it's just.
Is it connected to the internet?
Wi-Fi.
Oh, okay.
So I mean, they all just sit here, and I would personally, what I want for a telephone is I want one of those flip phones.
I thought you were gonna say like a rotary dial one.
That would be even better. That would be cool.
I have one in my closet.
Remember those cell phones back in the 90s that were like big bricks? That'd be cool to have a cell phone like that.
I have one in my closet.
Cool, and it works.
I mean, it's never been opened. It's still in a box. My dad just kept it all these years and gave it to me like when I was in Vegas. He's like, "Here, you want this?" I was like, "Sure."
Mm-hmm.
So, but yeah, I mean, I'm assuming if I were to take it out of the box, it would work. Well, I don't know. Can they even connect to the data networks to the phone networks these days?
I think they try to cut you off.
Hey, Frank.
It's so old you get free calling.
Hey, Frank.
Your microphone's muted. So.
Nope, still can't hear you.
You have to unflip the phone to talk to us.
Yeah.
You're muted on the Hangout itself, it says.
Yeah, it's fucking technology.
There you are.
Hey guys, how you doing?
Hey.
So far.
I noticed your mustache, Brian. Half of it's missing, or is half of it?
Hey, I was the
Hey.
only one that noticed.
Is it half there or half missing?
Question is, am I?
Nice.
When you're looking that way, it looks
Yeah,
complete.
yeah,
I feel like you've got like nice Brian and evil Brian.
yeah.
It's better when I have my beard and the whole like side. It's so much more fun. But I was like, what the hell? Let's have some fun with the kids in the morning. Let's see if anybody noticed. Good to see that you guys are observant. And I put together this. So Andrew and I, we're gonna have this 7 trades challenge. We're gonna try and take, and actually, it only has to be 6 trades now. So we're gonna try and take $5,000. We're gonna buy a VCIM name, and we're gonna compound it 6 trades in a row. You know what the balance is if you compound it and you take profits at 3x, and we're going to sell half of the position at 2.618 and the other half of the position at 4.669. So that gives you an average profit about 3.47 or something like that. So if you take $5,000, you do these, you see me do these VCIM names, right? So you're basically buying in right at the bottom after they rolled the stock back and directors get in. And you do that 6 times at 3.5x your money. And we'll do this in Canada. They have these accounts called tax-free savings accounts. So you can let the money compound inside the account until you withdraw it, and then you have to pay tax on it. What's the balance after 6 trades at 3.49 average X per trade?
What's the starting balance?
$5,000.
$5,000. Fuck, that's a big number.
Yeah,
That's a big
What do you
number.
mean compound it 6 times? Like get in and then like put in 6 positions on it? What do you mean by?
You throw $5,000 in and make 3x, or what'd you say, 2.5x?
So it
Oh,
goes
and then trade it again.
15
So just go
times
6
3
buses on it,
times
basically.
40. Yeah, exactly.
it turns
You're
into
multiplying it every time.
an insane number.
That sounds cool.
Well, yeah, 'cause if all the trades work out, just uncompounded, that's what, like 18 or like 22% or something, 21% uncompounded. So yeah, it's a good return.
That's
I
awesome.
don't know what that means.
You're just gonna pick one name.
Yep, and just do the VCIM model. 6 trades, and at the end of the 6 trades, basically we're millionaires.
Yeah, I've
sounds
been
cool.
looking for a tax-free account that I can do that for the kids, right? For just for 20 years, invest some money on their behalf tax-free, but I haven't been able to find one over here in Australia.
Yeah, this is pretty unique here in Canada. I mean, you can do the government registered accounts for your retirement, but those actually have an annual fee attached to them. It's kind of a pain in the ass. Accounts
Yeah.
got to be pretty big, or else it's not really worth it. But the last conservative government, they were the ones actually that jammed this through. Most people in this country, this is the way that they play the market.
What's the contribution every year that you can do? Limited or something?
I mean, you can put in as much as you want,
Oh, cool.
but when it comes out, it's taxed.
Oh, right.
That's really, it's kind of pointless. I mean, you can put it in and then you take it out, and I think there's a minor fee, but if there's a capital gain, you have to pay the tax on it.
I mean, I was thinking here you could do it in a Roth and put $6,000 into it a year, and then you could do that trade through there, and then you don't pay taxes on the way out because it's
post-tax
Yeah.
money.
the investment is
Yes,
post-tax.
looks like it's trying to turn bullish again, by the way. So I'm trying to get long.
I've been thinking about setting one of those up, Kevin, so I can add $6,000 a year for the next like 30 years. Although I guess if you're doing well on it, adding 6 grand's gonna be pointless because it'll be worth way more than that.
Yeah, hopefully you're growing it. Yeah, that's how I like to trade stocks through mine.
Wow, on the 9-minute chart there, Daniela, you have just the biggest doji.
Hmm.
So I would actually interpret that as that's a midpoint consolidation.
Hmm.
So if we we're gonna share screen. If we break
CETX
the
gapped
highs
up.
of this, that should be a measured move. Can you see my screen, Danielle?
Yeah, it's coming on right now.
Mm-hmm.
That should be a midpoint. So we're probably heading up top here if that happens.
Yeah. And it looks like it
Look
doesn't.
at the size of that. That's a double bottom and a double bottom too.
Mm.
Are we into second quarter earnings season yet? Or third
Fuck.
quarter? I guess.
All right, missed
Damn,
it.
dude. CETX. Look at that.
Yeah, yeah. CETX gapped up.
Shit.
Oh, gee whiz! Look at that. The stock market's already open.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh my goodness.
It's probably
The first time that's ever happened since Friday, technically.
That the market is open. Yeah, that's
the
actually
first time
true.
the market's open since last Friday.
Yeah, I've never seen that before. That only happens once a day.
I'm gonna miss this rally.
Yeah, fuck me too. Yeah.
On ES?
Shit. Yeah, but there was no real. It just turned, and I mean, let's see. Maybe we get a pullback into. I'd like it at this 56, around this 56 area.
Yeah, I was trying to get a
But
second
I
entry down
think-
at 54.25, but it didn't quite get there. Missed it by fucking missed it by 2 ticks.
Gould says bye bye.
Oh, really? It does?
Mm.
Oh, nice. Oh,
well-
man, what should I trade? What should I trade?
This is why you need 2 screens, one on each.
Yeah, fuck.
Can you not
Fuck.
split screen on Sierra chart so you can see both?
I think you can open up 2 Sierra charts and then.
Yeah, but you
flip
can't
those.
split screen on there like on TradingViewer. You can have like multiple charts on a page.
Yeah, you can put multiple charts in the feed. Yeah.
Or is that
It's
just
easier
too much
to
info?
keep them. Yeah, easier to keep the chart books separate.
Yeah, like I mean, I have my one so I have my setup where I have a tab here. That's just all of the charts that I'm looking at for squeeze breakouts, and then I have another one for all my SFUs, and then I have one that I like drill down on when I take the actual trades. But I have them on different screens. Oh, I'm so excited! On Saturday, I finally bought a third monitor.
Wait,
Nice.
Oh, dude, having 2 has been too little. It's been bugging the crap out of me for months.
Nice.
here you
Gets here on Thursday.
Holy shit!
There's a pullback.
Wow, NQ is just fucking.
Wow, I got a nice win.
On what?
On what?
I'm gonna have to put you guys away. I'll talk to you after I'm done.
Oh, gotcha. Looks like TPST. Wow, it doubled overnight basically. Holy
Oh,
shit.
that TPST popped?
Yeah, dude, it doubled.
Son of a bitch. Ah, look at that.
So.
Damn, that's that Melinda.
Fuck, dude, NQ just got smacked in the face. Well, rip a Rooney. My NQ trade just got stopped. Well, fuck you. Jesus. Let's just look out below.
Price action on tough built looks weird. Gap up and then down.
Yeah, I saw they brought it all the way back down, huh?
Mm.
Yeah, bummer I didn't get a sell off.
I mean,
I didn't get. I mean, I didn't get anywhere near up to my double level actually, but they take it all the way back down. That's crazy. Oh, the fuckers did an offering.
Very tough build.
Yeah, that's why. Like they popped it up into there, and then they just announced an offering.
Fuckers.
Yeah, they did it at 86 cents. Fuckers. That's funny. They ran it up a lot higher than that, but
They must have had that in the works before it popped.
Yeah, definitely.
I mean,
Because that's not something that comes together overnight. That isn't something that's like it popped on Friday. Let's put a deal through over the weekend.
Well, yeah, they knew, but then that's why somehow they run it up into the news, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Always.
Hmm.
Do you guys know what happened to ML?
Hey guys, I didn't realize I still have my microphone on. Fuck, I can't get a fill here, fuckers.
I did get a fill on VS, by the
Now
way.
you've got two gaps at those in that area.
Let's
Since it
see.
gapped above the other gap. So much
Yeah.
gappage on TPST. You trying to get in long, Daniele?
I am already long. I did
you're already
get long on that pullback.
Nice,
Yeah.
nice.
Come on. Okay, nice.
Looks like you might want to put it in a head and shoulders there.
I got my first target at that left shoulder. So
Oh, perfect. Damn, dude. What the hell? One of my stocks just took a punch in the nose. Which one was it? Let's see. Oh, TBLT. Got it.
Yeah.
Cause my stock balance was decently higher about 10 minutes ago. What? Something else had to have gotten punched. What was it?
all right, out on the first one.
Nice one.
Let's see. I don't want to see it back down there. So if it now comes back, I'm okay. And if it rips, it rips. That's totally fine as well. Me.
NQ stopped me out and is now like rebounding. Dicks.
If we break that left shoulder, that's, oh yeah, there we go. Come on. I think we might pop from here. But let's see. Let's see.
Which one was 25.10?
People talking COVID in the lounge today.
Mhm.
Oh boy.
So what's gold doing?
Oh, not the best place for a short, but it looks like it's struggling here.
Okay.
Which is like a exit. Give it a go. I think. If we can get up to that 800 area, or even the 99.8, yeah, 800 area. Ooh, there's the stops. Boom.
Oh well. Wow, Chemtrails is on fire. Holy shit. Is
What is, sorry?
is-
Damn, yeah.
this Chemtrails CETX is on fire.
Oh.
Nice.
Thing likes to pump when it gets going.
Yeah,
Yep.
nice.
Still have. Let's see, how much farther does it need to go? Oh yeah, now I still have like 60 more cents before I get my double
Shit.
on it.
Mm.
Did you buy it again back down here?
Yeah, at 146. Wonder why I bought. Oh, that's why. Yeah. Okay, 146. I don't really like the stock too much, but CINR had a weekly key reversal come in. It hasn't confirmed yet, but came in last week. Just FYI for anybody that cares.
God damn it, Bobby.
Although it is at the bottom end of its range. God damn.
Yeah, I think David O's talked about that one before. Signer
Has he?
Resources.
Dude, there's so many stocks get talked about I don't even know anymore.
Weekly. Oh, I see the Q reversal you're talking about.
Yeah, by 1 cent. It barely made it. There's also another one on Snowflake Inc. I don't know anything about the stock, but it's
Damn
just funny.
snowflakes.
The ticker's Snow. It's a fucking $260 stock though. Jesus. Whew. Just a casual 74 billion market cap. Yeah.
Gold.
What is it doing?
Dumping.
No real chance to enter anything.
Somebody, that Damac 187 guy figured out your compounding, Brian. He said it's 9 million plus after the 6th trade. Does that sound right?
Uh-oh.
Wow,
Brian just had a heart attack thinking of the number.
that gold doesn't look too good.
That sounds pretty good. 9 million bucks.
Hey, are we streaming or?
Well, how much is 5
I
grand, right?
didn't-
Is that 1%? Is that 5%? Because when you compound, you have to do the same percentage.
No, compound. I don't think you're mixing up what compounding is.
Well, if you take 6 trades all at 5 grand, you'll never make it to 9 million.
No, if you take one trade at 5 grand and you triple it, then you compound it, which means you triple it.
Oh, you put the whole thing back
triple
in.
it again.
Yeah.
Correct.
Gotcha. Okay.
So then it's 15 times 3.
I see.
Yeah.
Hey, it's a big risk, big reward, right? Because on like that 4th or 5th trade, if it fails, that amount you lose is gigantic.
As long as it doesn't go to 0, you'll be all right.
Yeah, because essentially it's VCIM, right? So you're a little late in that shit.
That's
You might
true.
have to wait forever.
Phil's, yeah. Like,
Brian's like 91 years old. It finally gets that 6th trade off.
you come in and you buy it, and it instantly triples the stock price.
Oh, Brian's not even in here anymore.
Oh yeah, you can't once you get to those levels, you can't even buy that stock probably.
Or sell it.
Yeah, you
sell
can't
it,
buy
yeah.
or sell enough of it. It's true.
Cool idea, though.
Yeah, that's what I was wondering. I was actually thinking about that last night. I was like, at what point do you have a big enough account where like your 1 or 2 or 5%, whatever you're doing, is so big that you can't buy VCIMs in full because they just don't fill you. Like they're just too big of an order. I don't know what that amount is.
Shit, man. Some of these stocks, it's surprisingly. I mean, you just have to slowly get your way in, I suppose, but some of them don't trade that much.
And then you have ones that trade a ton. So
Yeah, then of course the day it pumps, all of a sudden the volume comes in hard.
yeah, of course. It's always interesting to me. Like I don't fully understand the mechanics behind how that whole thing, like how that works, as far as like, how does everybody know to remove their orders to cause the gap up? You know what I mean? Because like if you have an order in, right, Like, let's say you bought a stock at $10 and you put a sell order in at $20 and it gaps up to like 25. Isn't it still going to sell you out at 20, or is it going to sell you at 25? Like, does your order not count against the market book? Like, I don't get it.
Well, it's just the market buyers come in and run your. See, that's how you get filled on like higher on the open, you know.
Well, that's what I'm saying, right? Is if I have an order in on the order book, shouldn't that gap never have occurred?
Well, no, well, not everybody trades overnight, so a lot of those orders don't work until the open. You know what I mean? And so it's like all the
that's
orders are
fair.
sitting on the order book, but that not until the open. And so then everybody's getting all fired up overnight and like rah bull. And then when the market opens, everybody just hits market buy and it just fucking goes bananas.
I see.
It's the
That makes
craziest
sense.
shit ever. It doesn't make any sense, really, but that's what happens.
Yeah, but we need them to keep doing it because that's how we make money off of them.
I mean, I suppose the more that 24-hour trading, I don't know if it is ever going to be a thing like full on in the stock
In
market.
the stock market, probably not.
But I mean, that would cut down on the gapping up, but it still happen just like crypto. Just everybody just piles in, and I guess crypto doesn't gap up like that in that crazy way. But
Yeah, the only time crypto seems to gap is when like on an exchange they take it down for maintenance or something.
well, I mean, altcoins gap a lot, just all the time.
I mean,
They
I've seen
just-
like large gaps where like something's down for like 3 or 4 hours or like 2 days sometimes or whatever. Then it comes back and the gap is just astronomical.
Oh right.
Gotta love Bittrex, man. They love to disable coins right as they start pumping so you don't get your fills.
Actually, speaking of, I wonder what's happened with duck notes after all that dumpage.
Not a clue.
That's at 4 sats.
Woohoo!
So TPST, just on the stock market, TPST is MLND through a merger, is that right?
Yeah.
Is it? Oh shit.
Yeah.
Is that I didn't know.
MLND ticker is no longer valid, it's TPST.
Yeah. That was
Oh.
Melinda. Fuck, I've been talking about it, but I didn't buy it.
Yeah, I've had it for a while. I don't know where I'm up with it. Well,
To the moon! To the moon! Yay! Still got one runner.
I do.
On what?
Yay. One runner on ES.
Oh, on ES?
So
Nice.
let's see it if it pops that overnight high.
Yeah, I want to pop that over high. Let's go. Pop.
Pop it like it's hot.
So I have like a trailing entry on the VWAP or middle Keltner, depending on like how I feel about it, right? And the second time on the 18 minutes ago it came down and missed my second entry again by 2 ticks. This thing's just toying with me. Literally 2 ticks each time.
Love those
Fuckers.
days.
Yeah.
On the plus side, it means you're getting closer.
This isn't horseshoes or hand grenades. It doesn't count if it's close.
It's better than getting stopped out by 2 ticks.
Yeah, fair.
Right when and then they reverse it after. Fuck. It's so annoying.
Yeah, that's the worst.
So when they, ugh.
Oh, we're trying to pop that high. Come on,
Little fade
baby.
here on gold.
No,
That was a joke.
I know. I'm waiting for us.
Yeah, I wouldn't get long that market anytime
No.
soon.
Mhm.
Fuck.
Tempted to try to
man.
sweep at a high.
Come on, Daniele, close your eyes and buy 1,000 contracts.
Yeah, true.
Just
True.
gotta wait. I want a bit more of a pullback.
You're on the paper trade combine account, right? So it's fine.
Yeah, you're right. Fuck.
You all love it.
You could be a paper. You could be a paper millionaire or a paper broke.
Yeah.
Well, as long as you treat it the
Like
same as you do when you go live.
Yeah.
You're gonna
If
fuck
you exactly.
Daniele's gonna buy 1,000 contract when he's live. Don't worry.
So let's see. Technically, I can pyramid, right? So I can when I have a runner, and I want to get on another long later on, it's technically possible, right?
You can
Yeah.
trade 3 lot actually, yeah,
Ah, nice.
given your account balance.
Okay, nice. Cool.
What do you start people with, Karan, on the combine?
50k.
Oh damn.
It's a good position to be in, Danielle. You're looking at adding to the position. Well done.
Yeah, I want to see it break up above this overnight high.
What is that, like
But
65 or 36, something like that? Where is it?
65.25.
And just
Oh yeah, right there.
combine is a copyright by Top Step, so we probably shouldn't use that.
Oh,
That was
is
it.
it? I didn't
But
know that.
we all know what it is. But yeah,
Mm.
Wait, what'd you say?
I think the combine actual.
The
calling it a
wording?
Oh, the
combine is a
word, the
Top Step.
combine. Yeah, we should.
It's copyrighted. That's hilarious.
I think it's a Top Step thing. Yeah, specific. Yeah.
Yeah, I think Pony Dick Rim's taken too. Gonna have to come up with something else.
That's for a whole different reason.
Nice.
What about massive horse cock?
That's a good idea.
Just call it the close your eyes and buy.
No, that's gone as well. I tried that already.
Tried that already. You know, we're just smacking against this overnight high though. Someone does not want to go any higher than that.
Yeah, let's see. Let me put my
Gold
stuff.
is going to rally now into a nice shorting window, nice and gently.
I think we'll pop this thing. We're gonna pop that overnight high.
Yeah, baby.
And there is the stop run. Come on. Come on. Oh no. Oh yeah. Oh no.
Hey, look at it spiking up and down.
Popped by a tick. All right.
Let me defend my trade a bit.
And the SFU is real.
Not
One
yet.
tick past and
Not
it's,
yet.
it's looking like it wants to though, dude. Holy shit. I know, I hate
Looks like
SFUing all-time highs or all-time lows. I just don't do it.
it looks like Trading Combine is a registered trademark.
There you go.
Trading
Yeah.
Combine.
Yep.
So we'll just call it the combine.
Now we're going to call it the.
YOLO.
YOLO account.
Trademarked here, 27th to the 12th to the 7th.
You get 2 million initial capital. Minimum contract size 10 lots.
That's just
If
the
you
start
pay,
out.
if you trade less, you don't pass.
Yeah.
You fail.
Good times.
How about we call it? This is the only combine ever created since Top Step.
First ever of its kind.
Since yesterday.
Oh shit.
Sell the Lambo, sell the car, sign up today.
Yeah.
Man, that's a mouthful though to try to explain to somebody.
Smash the like button, tickle the bell.
Tickle the bell.
Oh man. Beautiful.
Looks like I just got an email from AMP saying there's an issue. Synthetic order management is down.
Mm.
What does that mean? That would be
Don't know.
any order types not accepted by the exchange natively will be. Oh, I don't know. No OCR orders. What is it?
I'm still messing with AMP trying to get them to actually approve my account.
No way, really?
No way. Still, holy shit.
Yeah.
Mm.
I hear back from them after about 7 days. And then I respond immediately. And then I hear back about 7 days later. So it's been a process.
What's the main issue?
You know, they can't tell me.
Shit.
They said they think it's a bug in the system somewhere. Like they have a developer looking into it now.
Okay.
because like
yeah.
I sent them all the. Cause they had me manually send them like all this confirmation stuff from like my bank and all this other stuff, and they're like, "Yeah, I mean everything checks out. It's what you put in there. Like you're a real person." I was like, "Yeah, no shit." But yeah, no, there's just for some reason it is getting denied. It gets thrown into review and then it gets automatically denied.
Not good.
So yeah, no. But I did get I finally worked on Sierra Charts coding over the weekend again, and I finally got some shit to compile, so that was exciting. Granted, it compiled and showed it on a black screen because I have no data, but still. Can't even pull historical data without an AMP account connected.
Hey, Daniele, what's your target? Your next target?
No, I don't have a target here.
Go to the chaos
So,
with me, Danielle.
I'm
Go to
gonna
the chaos.
just yeah.
Show me
No,
a new high. Show me a
show
new
you.
high.
When we said
I
YOLO,
YOLO, man.
All right, Danielle.
That's
All right,
how I
Danielle.
learned trading at this new combine. No,
You're the poster child. Love it.
Quick
no, I'm gonna
copyright
just
YOLO
trade
trading. YOLO Trading Inc. copyrighted somebody.
I'm just gonna try to milk this. So similar to here, I'm gonna try to take every micro impulse and put my stop below it. And since we don't have a new one, we have a new one here. But I'm actually looking for adding
Ride
one
or
to
die,
the
Daniele.
position.
Go to
Yeah.
43.96.25 with me.
Because there's no previous highs to base it off, is there? Yeah.
No, not really.
Get 'em
So
now.
Maybe a fib extension or a chaos.
yeah, true.
Well, the chaos
That's
is
not a
all the
bad
way up
idea,
at
actually.
96, 43.96.
Any pivots or resistance S1, S2?
Let's see. We got
Oh, good morning, puppy. Hi.
You get some W action.
R1 is at 84.95.
Ooh, get it
So,
up there. It's going. That's where it's
damn.
going. That's where it's going.
Damn.
GTFU.
Oh
Giddy up.
shit. Hey, maybe I'm gonna pass the combine today.
That's where it's going.
What is passing, by the way, just out of curiosity?
6K.
In how many days?
6K profit.
And there is no maximum amount of there's no minimum amount of days.
Okay.
There's no maximum amount of days. There's a minimum amount of days trading. That's all.
You can't do it one day. Just take one trade and be done.
Correct. Yeah, you have to have at least 15 days. At least 15 trading days.
Yeah,
So
make
you
sure
just-
someone doesn't
you
get
gotta
lucky.
you gotta make 6,000, and then what's your is there like a daily loss limit or something, or
$1,000. Yeah.
no?
Damn, it's 6-to-1 risk reward.
Yeah. One trade.
And actually, what kicks you out? Like, how much do you have to lose before you get booted, or have to like start
2,000.
over? What's that?
$2,000. 2,000 from the start, but it trails. So from day one, when you move up in profit, it trails. So you can only lose then still 2,000, and until you get above that initial 2,000 threshold, and then you can lose whatever above that. Yeah.
Oh, I see.
So it trails up to zero risk to the account, and then once it's at zero risk, then you don't have the loss limit anymore. Only the daily.
Damn. I definitely have I definitely have taken trades where I've had a bigger risk window than that.
Actually, I'll post this guy. Actually, this is the breakdown. I forgot to post it to you guys. This is the
crazy kids.
right.
Hey,
Hey,
well,
Brian.
tons of money today.
Not doing bad. Yep.
I am.
Ah.
Sorry, total dick. Hope you guys are doing okay.
Yeah, can't complain. For some reason, the stocks aren't really participating in that rally. At least the small caps, right? So
Well, yeah, if you
I
look at
got
the
it.
rest
That
of
is
the
strange.
Nasdaq,
that is
I'm
strange.
not feeling any pain,
Ah, okay.
but
Yeah, I mean-
some up, some down.
yeah, definitely.
Did Kevin, you here?
Yeah.
You got in on that MRIN, didn't you?
Yeah, MRN. Yeah, not the
Where
TPST.
is it?
They
is it now?
reorged it, and then it
Oh.
just launched higher.
No, you mean TPST. I wasn't in on that one.
Oh,
But-
and I'm sorry, MLND.
Yeah.
MLND. That was it. MLND, and I think it was Melindo Therapeutics. Good Australian
Yeah.
name, right?
Yeah, that's the one.
Anyway, this was my morning. That's why I had to leave. I had to get that trade done. And you can see they were not gonna if you were light on your toes, I bet you this son of a bitch is gonna finish down here today. So, had to be quick on your toes.
Wow.
Yeah, nice one.
Here's the draft for you, Craig. If you want to have a look at it.
Cool, thanks.
I noticed our gold stocks, junior gold stocks. Oh, through $1. 103 is the high now. Woo-hoo. Look at that pick.
Oh,
Fucking- there's
fuck.
this Beamish guy. He knows how to fucking pick stocks. Woo-hoo.
I heard about that guy. Sometimes he wears a mustache, sometimes not. So, it's strange, and it's even within a couple of minutes. So
That guy fancies himself a futures trader. Doesn't really trade any futures contracts, but he also fancies himself a stock trader.
and a porncaster as well. So,
Porncaster?
sometimes.
Oh, God,
Porncaster.
yeah. You wanna buy
yeah,
some stock?
at least half of him.
You want to buy a
So-
futures contract? What do you want to do? You wanna buy some stock? I'm a stockbroker. Oh, well, I'm a broke stalker.
Frank Stalker.
Who are you? Are you a stockbroker? I'm stocking stocks. Who are you, a broke stalker? I don't know. Do I buy? Do I sell?
I know he's saying stalker, but I feel like he's saying like stalker, like with an L in there. Like,
Oh man.
who you
A
creeping on over
stock
there,
stalker.
Brian?
Huh? What?
Who you creeping on over there, you stalker?
I'm creeping on myself. I'm so hot, I even freak myself out. Actually, man, there was one trade I saw, Kevin, you mentioned that CETX first thing this morning.
Yeah.
I never did reload on that fucking thing. I can't believe I
Oh,
didn't
no.
Yeah, me
reload.
neither.
That was perfect. So it's just come back to my first double level, but I can't believe I didn't reload on that son of a bitch. That surprised me.
So, Corinne, I haven't watched the initial setup video for Sierra since I haven't got my amp finished yet.
Yeah.
But how long is that video, and does it go into more than just setting up Sierra charts, or is it only setting up Sierra charts?
Yeah, you'd have to watch it and see.
The reason I'm asking is I just see your note in here about open to suggestions about the fee for the videos or whatever. And I was just thinking for like just the
yeah.
basic setup of Sierra charts should be a free
That's-
video.
That's what it is. Yeah.
From time to time, you see some naked ladies jumping through the presentation, but
It's just a Sierra walkthrough. It's a
yeah.
Sierra walkthrough. Sierra.
Naked ladies?
yeah.
I'll pay to see naked ladies.
Yeah. So, I don't know. You just said you're open to suggestions. That's my suggestion.
Nice
Just make
one.
the setup free, and then
Yeah.
everything else can be a little fee or something.
Yeah.
Oh man, I don't know whether you guys got in on this SPAC, but TPGY. Jesus, this thing looks right.
Yeah, I had a weird issue on that one. I tried to get filled, and it like just never filled me, even though price went below me. And I have a ticket in with TD Ameritrade actually.
Yeah. Oh, Numi looks fantastic in here. Man, what an interesting head fake those cocksuckers tried to pull there last week. That's actually, it looks like a really good harmonic. I wonder what pattern that is. But look at what they're doing here. Straight up.
Maybe someone on YouTube can tell us. Where's Hafed? He likes his harmonics.
You know who's really good is Igor. He's evil with the harmonics, and Steven's really good.
Yeah, but I don't think they watched the Battlestations room. I think
Yeah.
Hophead does, and I think he watches it on
He's
YouTube every
too
day.
busy making tons of money.
Right?
Guys, never seen before. Ever seen before. Sell the house. Sell the Lambo. This is a signal I've never seen before since the open.
Yeah.
Gold is coming back into a sell window, guys.
Yeah, true. You're right. Yeah, you're actually right.
He's
Damn.
absolutely right. Yeah.
Gotta subscribe.
Call my real estate agent right now.
Take my money.
Lambos are getting so expensive, you have to have a real estate agent for them.
I meant to sell the house, but yeah, sure. Fuck, man, Lambos cost more than some houses do.
Probably.
Absolutely, that's a definite. I'd say.
Yeah, like mine.
Actually, a half decent Lambo these days, it looks to me like it's gonna run me about 200-300 G's.
That's what I'm saying, man. I get like
I
4
was thinking
houses
about
like that.
buying one. You can buy a used one, not bad looking one for about 100.
You were thinking about buying one?
Yeah, why not? I mean, fuck,
Cash out all that dough and buy a Lambo.
You should just
Yeah,
get one to
well-
go with your mustache, where it's like a Lambo on one
Yeah.
side and like a VW on the other, like a duck.
Hey, what?
that would be funny because I already have a Toyota Corolla. If I took like the Corolla and I took like a big saw and I just sawed it right down the middle, and then I took the Lambo and I sawed it right down the middle, and I smushed them together and like welded it together, that would be hilarious.
You have to find someone willing to commit like an act of treason against Lambo to cut it in half, though. And how do you merge the engine blocks together out of curiosity?
It's just dog money. And hell, I could say it's a business expense. We'll put a big TRI logo on the front of it, right? That's all an expense. It's advertising.
In TRI, you learn how to saw Lambos in half.
Or you learn to be such a good trader that you couldn't give a shit about the money, that you can be so frivolous as to saw Lambos in half. Wouldn't you like to live
There
that
you
way?
That's the Mark Cuban life right there.
No, that's the Brian Beamish life. Badass motherfucker. Damn him.
Sexy.
Although you can't have a name Brian Beamish and not drive a Beamer.
Well,
Nice Beamer.
you know what they say about guys in blue BMWs, right? You ever seen that study?
Dave Horsecox.
No.
They might. I doubt it. They probably are undersized, but they wish that in their own minds they have horsepower.
Beauties.
But it's so funny whenever you run into a guy who drives a blue BMW, though. It's so fucking cliche. It's ridiculous. Do any of you drive a blue BMW?
Negative.
No, only a blue Nissan. Only a blue
I-
Nissan.
I drive a gray
Ran?
Mazda.
I drive
Was it
a bright
was it a
orange
blue Nissan?
BMW.
Bright orange.
Well, I did when I was younger.
Cool. Is it like a
I can see
80s
Now he's got,
535
now
or
he's got the
something?
minivan instead.
I didn't hear your question, Kevin. Sorry.
Was it like yeah, I know that orange. Was it like an older one, like a 535
Yeah,
or something?
90s. Yeah.
Oh, sick.
Yeah.
That's a cool color.
Man, I
actually.
love those 2002s. You remember those? That was a badass car. I remember when I lived in LA, one of my dad's hotshot salesmen, he used to drive up this totally souped out 2002.
The old models are definitely better when it comes to BMW for sure.
Those
Yeah,
are,
yeah,
those
totally.
are cool sports cars.
I always want one, but they're like too high maintenance. I don't know.
Yeah, he was
Yeah.
always
Yeah.
throwing a ton of money
But they're
into
so
that.
cool.
Even the 80s, even the old 80s models are pretty sweet. They're more kind of maintenance friendly if you're that way inclined. Like
But like
Oh,
the
yeah.
318i's.
yeah, things like that. Yeah,
318s.
exactly. Yeah.
I remember a buddy of mine had he got like a 535i or something like that. Remember they used to have like those shag seats. Do you remember those?
Yeah,
those,
like or sheepskin, you mean, or something?
yeah,
Like
yeah.
sheepskin?
That used to be so popular.
Yeah.
Those Beamers.
My stepmom had those seats.
Hey, Karan, I
Yeah.
just messaged you. Will you add Bogdan to the Battlestations room?
Of course. Yeah. Yep.
Yeah, he hit me up.
Ogden.
Cool. Yeah.
Hey, you heard from Bugler
seconds.
lately?
Yeah, I was talking to him last week because I was trying to get him to go to lunch with us, but he was too busy making videos or something.
The guy.
He's making his YouTube videos.
I never heard back from him about that.
Oh, I was gonna ask him and I forgot.
Never heard anything. I don't know, I
Must
guess it
been
must have
work,
not gone over very well. I would imagine in like, a real sort of manly, perky kind of place, a guy like me probably wouldn't go over too well.
You're more of a broiler chicken.
Yeah, totally, eh? I'm perfect for Canada. Backseat hockey player. God's 107 now. Unstoppable. Be cool to see what the news is here. Jesus, that looks strong. Damn. Stone cold. I got a ton of that shit on.
Shit.
I don't know where my next sell order is. Oh, excuse yourself.
Excuse me.
Sound like somebody said.
Yeah, my chair.
Oh, good chair. This. Let's see. What do I want to do here? 109 now. Jesus Christ, unstoppable. Goliath. Actually, this is 1 year ago. It was last summer that we got into this thing. So there's an investment, eh? Fucking last summer. We bought this thing at like 10, 15 cents, and here we are $1. Merry Fishmas.
Numbers that the average person will never ever see.
Never. No, they can't understand what we do here. I tell you guys, man, it's been so fucking long since we've been in a growth market. Oh, I am so relieved we're back finally in this market. That 20 years sucked, fucking horse cocks. 114 offered. Woohoo!
What's your next double level, Brian?
I don't know where my next double. It's got to be getting up here. The damn position's worth a whack of money. Good to see. Good to see. The only problem is Canadian dollars. I only like trading in these U.S. stocks because the U.S. dollar is real money. Trade these Canadian sillinesses. Oh, I didn't get any gut over here.
No pyramiding entry. It just went off.
Geez, Italian oil's getting expensive too. Holy shit.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, over $1,000 is still in Italian oil.
We did on gold. We did come into a major low actually. So and did get rejected of it. So if you look at the 4-hour chart, this guy right here, and into the 50-day moving average.
Depends how we do
And
here.
yeah. So exactly, I still like a short into this 99.70 level.
Mm-hmm. Yep, that's the last chance level there. Yeah, in and around that area.
Yeah.
I was going to take it at it, but I'm going to wait. I have a couple of options playing in my head at the minute.
Fuck, guys, I think I got my best ES day since I started trading.
Nice.
Sweet.
Yeah, fuck, man. This thing's just running.
Good. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, we talked about that. The midpoint doji, eh?
Yeah.
Let's see
I got
what
my
this
stop
is.
now. I got my stop now below the overnight high. So think we're gonna run this guy.
Beautiful. Holy shit. That's
Yeah.
a sick trade. Nice.
Yeah.
I'd be looking for 43.72.5.
Yeah, I mean we were looking at the R1.
You're
pivot
trying to use
points.
pivot points?
Yeah, we
Holy
use them as a it's
Check
at
this out.
80, 85, 84, 92. So
Can you see my screen?
oh yeah, wow.
Yeah, it's absolutely textbook. So that was the midpoint doji. So
Yeah,
that
that's-
midpoint pivot wants to take us up into that foggy.
Nice.
Yeah.
Man, that's sick. I tell you, these fucking foggies. Fucking foggy. Fucking foggy.
Fucky.
I tell you, we
Fucky,
should all
fucky.
be fucking just ridiculously wealthy here, boys.
Yeah.
Where's our girl? Where's that girl?
She's trying to play catch up still.
Okay.
She
Said
should be
she-
thinking rich too.
Yeah, she was saying she might not hop in this week. She's like really far behind because of her vacation on some stuff. Yep, that's the foggy I'm using on my long right now, Brian. The one you have on your screen.
Pardon me?
The foggy I've drawn is the same one I have on mine right now for the squeeze setup that broke out.
Well, that's encouraging. 112 offered 114. Look at that chart. Oh,
Jesus.
goodness. Big green horsecock.
There you go. You can call your combine the big green dildo.
Do you want to dare try to pass my test? Can you handle the green big dildo? Can you master the big green
Sweet.
dildo?
All right, there's a stop run on gold.
There's a big green dildo. That's what that is.
Yeah.
Right.
Ooh, nice.
course, yeah.
Wow. Damn.
You and me, babe, ain't nothing but man.
Wow. So
We need to get ourselves into a titanium stock so we can sing that song when it goes off. I don't actually think I've ever looked at a titanium stock.
So I guess we got rejected off that bottom of the range. So let's see.
Big time. Fucking hell, straight up.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Damn. Damn. Wow. What the fuck is going on there? It's not stopping. I mean, gold. It's
Mhm.
just going straight to back to the open.
Mhm.
What happened?
That's a good question.
What?
Yeah,
That's insane.
it is.
up.
I agree.
Uh.
It's a serious reversal.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Stops, I guess, coming in.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah. So back into these highs.
Mm-hmm. Do we sweep that 8063?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Wow, we have a really light week of econs, like super light.
Thank God.
We do have a heavy week of green dildos.
Oh,
Woohoo!
finally.
It's raining dildos. Hallelujah.
Don't forget to use lick tissues.
And
Oral
dental
dam.
dams.
Oral dams.
Lick tissue.
I told Danielle
Jeez.
earlier I'm gonna find my
Yeah.
dental dam
Oh,
stock
that sounds
supply.
disgusting.
Yeah. Just click on my lick tissue buy link in the description below.
It's never been dirtier before.
It's still going. It's not stopping. What the fuck is going on?
Oh, it's funny. Okay, now we swept this.
Coming into levels. Actually, this will be interesting. See what happens at 43.73.
Now we swept that 0630 level on gold.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe that was all a trap.
Wow, look at that destruction
Okay.
in gold. Oh yeah, those jerks.
Yeah, yeah, they literally ran all.
And look
those
at that SFU on goal is what I see.
Yeah. Well, yeah, that low that what was that low? Jeez, that was a while ago. Where are we here? Gold. That was that low from July 8th, 8 a.m. low. Yeah, totally. They couldn't quite take out the sixth low. Wonder if that's carving out a massive head and shoulders there.
Mm.
Yeah, that silver looks super strong. Those fuckers totally euchred me here from silver stock. Somebody's getting blinged. Bling, bling, bling.
This is a key level here.
Mm-hmm. This is the value for Friday. New York's value.
Yeah, and all those. If you look at a 20-tick chart, there are a lot of highs at this level, and they just swept all of them. Not all of them, but a couple of them. So.
Oh my goodness! Look at that high. 43.72 and a half. 43.73 is the foggy. And this, I think, was the midpoint consolidation target.
Uh-oh. 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 Do we fail again? Ooh.
Yeah.
It's looking dangerous.
Yeah, it is.
It's minor low held so far, but it's looking dangerous. Oh, there we go. I don't mind taking a shot here.
Equal highs.
Oh,
It's going to pop top. Oh no. Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no.
it's a fight here.
So there's no econs today, but is there anybody speaking, causing trouble?
It didn't look like it. Check again.
I don't think so, no.
Yeah, the only high impact thing I see is at 7:30 p.m. tonight. Something to do with NAB business confidence. I don't even know how important that actually is. And even on medium impact, we don't have another econ until 11 a.m. And the last one was at 6 a.m. for me. So that was 2.5 hours ago for the last one, another 2.5 hours for the next one.
We just accepted back into value here.
On gold? Okay, nah. Anyways, I think I got stopped out on that. Yeah, stopped out on that short. Yeah,
Oaks play is up
in
to
place.
11.5.
Sweet.
Look how it's just stalling out at the foggy boggy. That's incredible, man. That's incredible. I
Needs
would
to go to the
even
next one.
almost entertain the idea of just shorting that.
Oh,
Just buy it back at the VWAP.
yes, you mean? Or
But first, gotta get some cotton.
Yeah, he meant a yes.
okay. I wouldn't get short that guy, I think. But I'm biased as well, so
All right, has God hit $5 yet? Boom. Let's do it. Ooh, crypto stock's not very happy today. Did somebody poop on the crypto party? Wow, bargain hunters. You're looking for cheap stock. I think. I wonder where David O is. This might be one of his Eve and Adams on Lumo.
Found a bug in my trading log today. Somehow I made $74,000 according to this thing. I don't think that's accurate.
Well, how do you know?
Because I took one contract long that was then stopped out. On NASDAQ is the one that's reporting on a $74,000 profit.
No, change broker.
Yeah. Yeah. Change name, change broker, change address.
New identity altogether. Forget it.
Yeah.
Move to a non-extradition country. Huh. I wonder why that's happening. It's super weird.
Ooh, crypto's looking back heavy again, eh?
Yeah, I'm just looking at Bitcoin right now. I'm starting to really see a bearish bot coming in. It takes it down to like 24 grand.
All right, right into my buys. Let's go.
Boo, he says boo.
Or my first buys anyway.
We shall see, though. Gotta get down in the reload zone.
Yep. Yes, sir. All right, Daniele, kick the CS into gear.
What did I?
No, you need to kick it into gear. You need to go kick it.
Can I kick it? Yes, you can.
Just go find the server that it's on in Chicago and just kick that. Dude, in back in the day when WoW first came out, when I was in high school, like 2004 or whatever, man, when the servers would have issues, we would just joke that some GM, game master, would just like go find the server, take a piss on it.
Yeah, maybe if it's running hot. That could solve the problem, maybe.
No, we were saying that was what was causing the problem.
Ah, okay. Okay. Ah, no, I got it. Okay.
Looks like you had the trade of the day.
Yeah.
This is kind of sleep. It looks like for
Yeah.
landing close.
That's why I'm telling Danielle to kick it up,
Yeah, fuck.
kick it into gear.
Yeah, there are, I think in this kind of market, there's maybe 1 or 2 opportunities. And it's early in the day. I mean, there was one on Friday as well. I missed that one, but yeah. And that's it.
Till the afternoon session, yeah.
Yeah.
Ding, 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 ding. Level hit. 43, 72, 75. So bots have been hit, but our foggy level still hasn't been traded to. Still probably could be a quarter point higher. But that midpoint consolidation reference off of that doji, man, that was really good learning material for you guys. I don't know if you want to put that in your diaries, but damn, that was perfect. right off that midpoint of the channel too. It's so textbook. That's a pretty chart. Especially like if you had caught this double bottom down here. Oh my god, that was just so perfect. So nice grab, Daniele. Way to go.
Grazie, grazie.
Still never got you into Italian oil, eh? Did I ever get you?
No, no, unfortunately not.
What was your entry,
Missed
Danielle?
that one. It was 56.50.
Okay, it's a little bit better than mine.
Remember, I used to tease you about Italian oil.
Yeah. I remember.
Where's Italian oil? Look at that. Nice move. Boom. Up and down like a hers drawers. Does anybody know how to quickly learn how to speak German?
Difficult.
Buy Munich hat.
Yeah.
Munchen hat.
Yeah.
It's not helping.
Listen to tapes in your sleep.
Yeah, true.
That's interesting. That would be funny to wake up one morning here and come in and then just only speak German to you guys. What the hell?
Ich bin ein Berliner.
Yeah.
With jam and cream, please.
Jam and cream? Is that popular in Germany?
No, Berliner is a donut. You know the famous
Yeah.
JFK speech.
Oh, Kennedy?
Yeah, Kennedy. Yeah. When he was in Berlin.
Yeah.
I am a donut.
Did he say that accidentally?
No, he was in Berlin, so he was saying he was a Berliner, but a Berliner in German is a donut.
Yeah.
Wonder what German with a Boston accent sounds like. What if it's just as grating as a Boston accent in English? Oh, goodness. This little warrant looks like it's about to do some magic. In Terra Bio.
Oh yeah, that one's been kind of silent.
Might go and get my beauty sleep, boys, girls.
Have a good one, bud.
Take care, Frank.
All right.
Tomorrow.
Take it easy, buddy.
You're off, Frank?
Yeah, go get some sleep.
Yeah, take it easy, man. Great seeing you.
Take it easy.
Nice tenacity. I like your tenacity.
Every day, just got to show up.
Yeah,
Nice.
man. That's what it takes in this business.
Good luck with your rocket, Daniele. Keep it up, mate.
Thank you.
Keep riding it.
All right. Nice.
See you
Thank you.
guys.
See you tomorrow.
Hi, Frank. So most of the business is done in that first opening hour, and now the rest of the day is just going to be drift.
Looks like.
Yep, feels a bit like that.
Still haven't hit my foggy target.
I'll be back in a few minutes. I gotta hop for a second.
Okay,
All
take
right.
it easy, man. Oh, now we've only got half. Actually, we got half a mustache on Brian and half a face
Where I picked my face up.
That's just because your camera's off. There you go. Hey, he's back.
Oh, something is obstructing.
I think we got it. I think TRI's got to have a 5 o'clock shadow club. Man, you guys own that 5 o'clock shadow shit. I can't even hold a candle to your 5 o'clock shadows. Did you guys shave first thing this morning?
No.
No, about half an hour before the hangout here.
Yeah.
Wow, you're manly man. I bet you I'm the only guy you've ever seen is shave half his face. Have you ever seen anybody do that before?
No.
No. I gotta come up with something next time when I shave. So let's see.
Just as long as it's not like a half a pony prick or something.
And I just got stopped in my last trade. Hang on.
Oh no!
So,
Another day. 2.5 stops, but that's so it is.
you tried too long off that impulse.
Yeah.
I'm not crazy, right? There's 10 ticks and a point for NASDAQ.
Talk to you soon, guys.
All right,
Oh,
take
is
it
it?
easy,
Later.
man.
I've never traded NASDAQ.
I was hoping Karen would answer before he left. Danielle, do you know it's 10 ticks per
Oh.
point, right?
10 ticks per.
For NASDAQ, right?
Um.
Because it goes in 10 cents increment.
I never traded the Nasdaq. I actually don't know,
Okay.
to be honest. So, do you mean the
'Cause I
tick
think-
size?
Yeah. So how many ticks per point? The tick size is 50 cents or $5, depending on which contract you're trading.
Let's see. I still have a Nasdaq chart somewhere hidden, but for you, I'm gonna grab it ahead.
You can always pull up a CME page. I probably have it there.
Let's see.
Yeah, well, I mean, that's just what I thought it was. But so anyway, the issue I'm having is on TradingView. TradingView is calculating their risk to reward numbers wrong on NASDAQ if it's 10 ticks to a point, which is what I think it is.
Je ne sais. All I know is how to shave half my face. Baby, I've been losing sleep.
Oh, I'm just silly. Why does... Yeah, 'cause I thought on NQ 1 point was $50. But I must have this wrong.
Why not strap one on and Sierra and see what happens when it moves a point? That'd be an easy way to figure out exactly what.
Well, and that's
multiplier
what
is.
that's why I'm confused. I must have just had this
Danielle
wrong in
could
my head.
probably just strap one on a sim account, and he could see exactly what 1 point is.
Yeah, it's just
Yeah,
I
or
always
you
thought
can-
it was based on 10 increments of 10 or whatever, because if you look at the risk reward on TradingView, you can up it by 10 instead of 0.25 per like you can on ES. Oh wait, no, you can't. What am I
Did you
fucking
go to the
thinking of?
CME and find out what?
Yeah, I did. I'm
says
just
right
I'm
there?
mistaken. I just don't know why I'm mistaken. I could have sworn it was. Huh. Anyway, So a Nasdaq contract's only $20 then. Interesting. Per point. That's why the bug is.
Yeah, you keep working with Andrea. Don't lose her. So if anything, it's
Yeah.
kind of cool that
Yeah, we're chatting right now. We're trying to fix the bug on
you're
the.
working with her, Craig. I like that.
Nice. Yeah. Maybe my jokes were a bit inappropriate.
Yeah,
I don't think that's why
So
she's not here.
okay, good.
she's
Is it
got
the
pretty thick
Russell?
skin.
Oh, it's the Russell that's 10. Okay, that's what had the problem. Yeah, no, she's literally just said she wasn't gonna trade right now because she's trying to catch up on other stuff.
Okay, good.
Actually, like, she was like, I have a lot I need to get done. I don't think I'll be trading this week or whatever. I was like, okay. I mean, I had to do that last week, so I totally get it. After you go on vacation for a while, there's so many things that pile up.
Of course, yeah.
Man, this market is SLOW, eh?
Mm-hmm.
After that initial burst, everything's just sort of stopped.
Yeah, true. No, it's just slowly chugging higher, crawling higher, actually. So
This is a 9-minute bar, so that's 9, 18, 27 minutes ago. It traded up to 72.75.
Mm.
I've been waiting a half an hour. This candle's high, 72.50, and the target there's 43.73.
Yeah.
But the bull ABCD and that midpoint pivot off of that massive doji, its target was 72.50. So I think this move's basically done.
Yeah, I moved my stop below this. I think it should be your last green candle below that low. So
Right
if we
there.
break below that one, that's a double top. But I don't mind. I don't think that it's done yet. So
See any divs? Any divs? Any divs? And the thing is, it's dull, right? So they always say
yeah,
you're short a dull market.
yeah.
Because I wouldn't be surprised if this thing pops up to the top of the channel up here.
Mm.
Right. I think it's got to reload. It's got to come back to the VWAP here. That's my hunch. Let's see. MACD divs, they're starting to build. Really is stupid.
Mm.
Everything's in place. If this thing wanted to dump here, it could. Maybe they're gonna have to do a liquidity push here just to sweep these highs.
Hmm.
And not really anything else going on news wise, eh?
I don't think so. No.
I've
We
even
might
got
just
the
come.
short list of stocks all ready to go that I think meet the screening criteria.
We might just go all the way back down on gold. It seems like. So too late to short, but this looks heavy. And bang. Or Wow, what a crazy market! Gold.
Yeah, I'd say that rally's pretty much done. And they might
this
keep it up, wash some stops up top.
Mm,
Bear divs
yeah.
now in momentum.
Mm. If we break this, what is it? 69.25 level, then this confirms the double top. Then I'm out.
Yeah. That'll be a nice little empire there too.
But this could also be a bear trap, so
Totally. I don't think I'd short this.
no way.
But the question here is, do we have to come all the way back down to the VWAP there?
Hey Danielle, yeah, on yours, which one is the VWAP? Which color?
The pink one.
And then the black one's the New York.
Yep.
My VWAP right now is 43.60.51. Where's yours?
43.60.48. So basically the same.
48.
Yeah. So 43.60.48.
So mine is literally off like 2 full cents from yours.
What is yours
Now
at, Brian?
it's 49. Mine. 40.
Now 1 cent. Son of a bitch.
Fuckers.
Yeah, mine says 60.67
I think,
right now.
Yeah, we
Why is mine different? I don't know. Whatever. This is why one of the things Andrea and I are going to be tracking is the difference between Sierra charts and TradingView for our setup.
I like them watching both sides of this range here. They're going to go after liquidity hunts on both sides.
Yeah. I think that's a bear trap. When I started trading, I used to short these things, and I did get burned over and over again. And I think they're building the liquidity for another leg higher, but it could be wrong as well. But I personally think that's a trap.
It's a trap.
Cool.
It's a trap. Fuck out of here. No, but I got
I mean,
my.
I still don't even really have any failure here. I mean, I see
No.
momentum is rolling over
Mhm.
and volume's rolling over, so all the
Mm.
internals are rolling over here.
Mm.
So for a guy like me, it's just a question of is there price structure to work with?
Yeah, there is no. Yeah, true. There is no
And
real
I don't
structure.
actually have any
Mhm.
bearish price structure yet.
That rather looks like a bullish pennant.
Yeah, looks like a full
So
flag.
yeah, nice.
But we'll see. Only time will tell.
Would
You know, like I said,
send it higher.
Foggy Boggy sitting there 43.73. I would be really shocked if Foggy Boggy is not traded too.
Mm.
So if anything, I remember when I told Andre that before. I like this would probably be an example where I like the idea of working your short order like right here, and saying, you know, the original trade, if I had taken it, I would have had to short here and risk to here, right, and maybe like a tick or two above that. So there's maybe the trade, 4 points, right? Sell that, stop above here. So what
Yeah,
I'm
I
going
think.
to do is I'm actually going to place my sell order up here. And I'm going to take the exact same amount of risk. But instead of going short on this double top breakdown, I'm going to look for the fuck you that stops people out and then trade that. So that's probably that, especially later on in the day in a summer session here, probably the way I would interpret this, something like that. So
I think you're even from a probabilities perspective. I think you're even. I mean, you're even more. It's even more likely to get long here that high than shorting this. But
get long here, buy there.
yeah, because you're still basically. I mean, I wouldn't do that, but from a probabilities perspective, the likelihood of this even going higher is even in your favor because we didn't even break structure. I mean, if we now carve out a double top, this breaks structure. Yeah.
What I'm expecting is the double top 2-5, and then the stop run, and that would be my signal to sell. So I wouldn't be like, if this market went up from here up, then actually that is a double bottom. In fact, we could probably even draw out like this is awfully lower time frame. But we could even think about like going like there to there. So bot setup, levels fired, bot trade itself will actually have you go long on a resolution of this. And interesting, look at that. So
Yeah.
the bot target actually is my stop out level of the fuck you setup.
Nice.
So, I could see that if these lows hold and we turn back up, we're gonna, like you said, pop up top here. But because Willie is like this, I don't think that's a good idea. That's asking for trouble.
Hey Daniele, is there a way to get like a screen grab for Sierra chart like there is with TradingView?
Yeah. It's I think Alt Shift 8. I think Kiran said it's Alt Shift 8. Let's see.
Did Kiran go to like a school to learn Sierra charts?
I don't think so.
I think he went
no,
to
I think...
the school of YouTube.
Yeah, I think this thing is much like learning by learning by doing.
Wait, wasn't there some guy
So-
that like he knew that showed him how to use it or something?
Yeah, I think he did a one-on-one coaching with a guy, and he used Sierra charts.
Okay, so that's probably where he learned a lot of it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think it's pretty common, Sierra charts in the day trading industry. I mean, there's this Ninja Trader, I think. I don't know if you guys heard of it. It's also a day trading platform.
Yeah, I used Ninja
Right.
Trader like 10 years ago.
Yeah. And then there is, I think, Brian, you used MT4 or something like that, right?
MetaTrader, yeah.
Yeah. There are a couple of them.
What the heck?
What?
Alt Shift H or 8
Oh,
when
8.
they did it. If you copy and paste that to somebody, it just spams them with all of the information about that chart.
Oh, wow.
Like,
See, here we go.
Nice.
There we go.
And
hey, I'm knocking that off right now.
and
Good, so close.
Nope.
Was that 69 and a quarter, right? Is your stop just below that?
It's 68.75. So it's below these two lows. So let's see. And so Alt Shift 8 doesn't work out. Let's see what Google says. Sierra chart shots.
Wakey, eggs and bakey. Right, trying to help myself wake up. I've got a winning stock. Still gotta figure out what the hell's going on over there. Got for the fun of that. Got for the fun of that.
Look, Craig.
Yep.
If you go to edit and then screen images, then there is a couple of options. So save chart to file, upload chart. Alt Shift 8 is uploading chart, like with TradingView. You get a link, and
Yeah, okay. I don't know why it didn't work for Andrea. But where do you get the link for that chart after you click that?
let's see. Let me give it a try. So
Yeah, you save that chart.
Alt Shift 8. Yeah, there it is. The image has been uploaded. The image link is this guy right here. Press yes to copy.
And paste? Oh, okay. Press it. Okay. I was like, can you even copy and paste that? That's dumb.
Yeah.
Could you imagine having to type that out to somebody every time you want to share a screenshot?
Yeah, that would be nice.
No, that'd be terrible.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Without irony, it would be terrible. Yeah.
That worked. Cool. Andrea says thanks.
Say you're welcome.
Not being a middleman. No, I told her. I was kidding.
Nice.
Wonder when the last time I sold some of this guy.
Ah, somebody's trying to get in. Who is it? Andrea. Hey, Andrea.
Hi guys.
What's up?
Hey,
Hey.
hey, hey,
Uh,
hey, we're the monkeys. People say we're going around. We're just trying to be friendly. Everybody put us were you watching on the YouTube page going, man, that Beamish guy keeps laying into me. What a son of a bitch.
He was talking so much shit, it was ridiculous.
No.
You know, Brian, that's all he does, talk shit on people.
That ass motherfucker. That ass motherfucker. Oh, not interesting. I'm coming up actually to another selling level.
On
Well, they've dodged.
oh, on God again.
I saw a little bit earlier.
Andrea, did you manage to find the upload link thing on Sierra?
Yeah. Sorry about that. Yeah, I literally had it like figured out, and then Craig said what you said, and it was the same. Yeah. It was
Nice.
like weird. I think like the description threw me off a bit. It was a bit weird. It was like uploading the chart or something.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, there are a couple of opportunities to take a screenshots there.
Yeah, but got it now.
Nice. Nice.
Huh.
Is there a like risk to reward indicator on Sierra charts?
Yeah.
I haven't.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, I
Oh.
one. Yeah, there is one. It's a bit weird. I feel like the trading view one is way more intuitive. It's like, I don't know. I find it easier to use. The one on Sierra is a bit weird. Is that the correct one, Craig? The one that I just sent you?
Let's see. NQ. What was the entry price and time on that one?
Hang on.
Looks like around 439, but
So
that seems wrong.
the bar where it fired here was 14874. And the time was.
Oh wait, no, I looked back too early. Yeah, no, sorry, it would have been 8:30, something like that on your chart.
8:33 New York time, so 7:33.
Okay. Yeah, so in this particular trade, they're actually the exact same entry, and
That's funny, yeah.
normally they're not.
Yeah, no, I mean, quite often we had that they are different.
Oh, good. Entry SC. I don't know why. You see my message about the date time?
Let's see. Date time? No. What did you message me or where? Sorry.
Oh, we might have to move that to the trade, like the trade tab instead, because the times won't match, typically speaking. Instead of being on the main overall trade log.
Okay. So you want to move it to trades taken, is what you're saying?
Yeah, I think so, because that way otherwise the times won't match up most of the time.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, sure. Definitely.
I'll work on that later. Oh, right. What was the
So you still don't have access to your Sierra chart? So like what
to AMP, yeah.
Hmm.
It's AMP. AMP's the issue, not the Sierra charts.
Okay.
Yeah, they just keep giving me the runaround. They're saying it's probably some sort of bug in their system, but yeah, it's just not letting me get approved.
Oh, that's weird. Okay. It's been quite a while now, isn't it?
Yeah, it's been like 4 or 5 weeks now that I've been working with them back and forth on it.
Jesus.
It's been a minute.
By the way, do any of you guys have Discord? Because I've never used it before, and now I've made a profile because I want to join like one channel. What is that voice chat thing? Like, is that like we're doing? So if I click on it, I'll be in a hangout or something? Sorry if that's a stupid question.
Probably, yeah. But I'm not sure. I know that you can do voice calls and hangouts and stuff in Discord as well. So yeah, I think it should be the same. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I practically live in Discord, so if you have any questions.
Oh yeah. Okay. Good. Yeah, because it's weird. I've never used it before, and I feel like I don't want to click on random stuff and then end up in like a hangout or something.
Well, so it depends if you joined a room, like if someone gave you like a Discord channel to join.
Yeah, that's why I set it up. So I'm in a channel now, and there's like chatting going on, so I get that obviously. But then it also says further down like voice channels, and there's a voice chat.
Yeah, so if you hop in there, it's almost like a chat room in the sense that you don't like start a call like you do with a hangout. You just hop in the room, and anybody else can hop in that room too that has access to the Discord.
Ah, okay.
And you can share video and all that stuff as well, I believe.
All right. Oh, cool. Okay.
Yeah, so text channels have like a hashtag next to them, and then voice channels have like a mic or a speaker indicator, so you can tell the difference.
All right. Yeah, I see that. Oh, cool. Thank you.
All right, well, hey, at least that fixed that Sierra charts column by putting in the trade.
Okay, good. Yeah.
And so that's probably what we'll do is like if I take a trade when you're not around, you'll just go back and grab a chart and put it in the log, and then I'll do the same the trading view side of things. But if not around,
Yeah, makes sense.
watch now going forward, they're just gonna be the exact same date and time and everything.
Yeah, we just do things. Yeah. Every single. Yeah.
After months of them being different.
All right, out on the last one. So.
Yep, there's your breakdown.
Yeah, nice. So let's see where it stops.
Yeah, who knows?
Who knows?
I'm just letting it run, letting it do its thing.
Yeah.
Did you see on that ES trade that it literally almost touched 2.618, and that's where it turned around now?
Yeah. It didn't even touch it, missed it by a tick.
Yeah.
Nice.
It also missed the second contract entry down at the VWAP by 2 ticks.
Yeah.
Twice.
Yeah, I saw it.
Evil.
And that NQ trade that didn't work at all.
What was that?
Went the other way. That NQ one that just went the other way.
No, it was like, oh, you think you're getting along? Goodbye.
Yeah.
It happens. I don't know. It always bugs me when the first trade in a trading log is a loss, but it is what it is.
Yeah, true. No.
Just the first one. I don't care about after that.
So the one after that currently shows 21,000 minus.
That's
But I
because there's no exit.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would need to write a little thing to check and see if exit is not set for a trade to not fill in the column, but I don't off the top of my head know how to do that.
Well, what if you do it like I did it on the example? Like if you have, wait, let me say, if the average exit column is empty, so column J, if that's empty, then it doesn't fill in the profit loss.
Oh, if column I see. I misunderstood what you were trying to tell me earlier.
Oh, sorry, yeah. That's
I see. That's not a bad idea.
yeah.
So if J is blank, okay, yeah, I can probably add that. That shouldn't be too hard.
Well, try use that if blank thing that I sent you that I had in mind. And
Yeah. 100%. Wait, what did I do wrong here? Wait, what?
What?
Andre, if you look at the spreadsheet, do you see how the profit and loss on TradingView is different than Sarah charts, even though they have the exact same math?
looks the same. Looks the same to me, no?
You see 73 and then 182?
Oh, sorry, I looked at the one further down. Oh yeah, oh sorry, okay, let's have a look.
Huh. I wonder why. Oh, because I didn't adjust this. Okay, this needs to be 2.5.
Oh, is it the tick thing?
Yeah, I didn't do it on the SC.
Oh, right. Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah, looks good. Cool.
There, yeah, much better. All right, cool. That's gonna bug the shit out of me. Put a space there.
Yeah, I really gotta get back into things. I was trying to do a fib yesterday and I couldn't find the tool.
Shit.
It's just really not in the mood. Yeah.
What's a Fibonacci? So I did a barbecue over the weekend, and I introduced my friends to bacon fried onions. They had never had them before.
Oh, what's that? Never heard of that.
Where like so when if you ever do burgers and you make bacon, save the oil and then fry your onions in it and then put those on the burger too.
Oh, that sounds nice.
Oh man, love cooking in bacon grease.
Yeah,
It's
right.
the best.
So bad for you, but tastes so good.
I don't know if it is as bad for you as people say, actually. I think it's better than eating like shitty ass margarine or some other crappy oil.
I mean, it can't be better than like vegetable oil or something.
I mean, it could be. I don't know.
I mean, I can with like 90% certainty say that it is not.
Well,
I'll leave that room for error, but
You think like corn oil is better for you than bacon grease?
corn oil? I don't even know
Corn
what that is.
oil, like corn,
corn
or
oil.
any like crappy oil, vegetable oils. Those are horrible for you.
Yeah, to be fair, that's.
What do I have here? I have avocado oil.
I mean, that's maybe healthier, but it's still just fat, like good fat. I think bacon fat's not.
Well, the problem is that the bacon grease absorbs into like when you fry something.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know.
Yeah, because like let me see here. One tablespoon of this shit's 90 calories for my avocado oil. God damn.
Yeah, it's high fat content.
Yeah.
But
I think
fat, I mean, it just comes down to whether you think fat's good or bad. I think I don't think fat's as bad as people have always.
Well,
have
it depends what you're doing, right? Like if I just cook the onions without coating them first, so like instead of frying them, I just like sauteed them in the grease. It'd probably be better because it doesn't get absorbed that way. But when you have, breadcrumbs on the outside and stuff that absorbs all the grease, I don't think that's better for you. I wonder if anybody knows how much calories are in a tablespoon of bacon fat.
I think that's the difference though if you have omega-6 or omega-3. Like for example, sunflower oil is omega-6 and like almonds or like fish has like omega-3 and that's like better for your brain and like for your overall health, apparently.
But regardless, it made the onions taste way better.
Oh yeah, that sounds awesome.
Yeah.
Regardless of how good or bad it is for you, it tastes awesome.
You know what also tastes awesome? Bitcoin!
You've eaten a Bitcoin? That sounds terrible.
Bitcoin tastes pretty mediocre right now.
That's true.
Still is, I guess it still is $33,000 though.
Yeah, that's true.
Deep fried avocado slices. That was the other thing we did that was fucking delicious.
Oh,
What?
cool.
Avocado deep fried. Did you put it into like batter or just fried it as it is?
Did I put it into what? Sorry.
Like, did you like wrap it in like some sort of dough and then fry it, or just fry it?
Yeah, we didn't have much to do with, so we really just coated it in what do we use? Milk and breadcrumbs and a little bit of seasoning.
Okay.
So we just like dipped it in milk, coated it in breadcrumbs, and fried it. Tasted fantastic. The avocado kind of like melts a little bit when you do it. Yeah, it was delicious.
Maybe we should start a food review channel as part of this show.
It always comes up, man. When there's nothing else to talk about, food comes up. Or disappearing rolls. I love making those for dessert. Those are great too.
Disappearing rolls. What are those?
You take like what is it? The Pillsbury like croissant stuff, like the things that you break out of the can and you unroll it, and you roll marshmallows inside of each one, and then the marshmallows disintegrate and absorb into the roll, so that they're like hollow inside. Call them disappearing rolls because A, the marshmallow disappears, but B, they disappear from the plate.
Nice.
I don't know. I've been making this since high school. I just thought that was like a common thing. I don't know.
Sounds better than the barbecue I went to. There was just like a shit ton of pizza and a massive amount of alcohol.
Oh no, dude. When me and my buddy Trevor at barbecues together, we both went to culinary school. We make everything.
Nice. Yeah, my friend, I went way late, but the Euro final was yesterday, and he's British, and he was having a party to watch the game, but it was pretty much just by the time I got there, it was like a drunk fest. I just took off.
That's what the barbecue turned into eventually.
I hung out for like half an hour and then just snuck out the back. That's fucking like out of there.
Watched the guy over the weekend decide he was gonna see if he could make things taste better by putting whipped cream on them. So he put a whipped cream on a chili dog. It looked disgusting. He said it tasted great. I didn't want to try it. To be fair, I think he was pretty high at the time.
Hey, Kevin, you want to hop soon?
Yeah, I guess so, huh? 22.
I'll hop now.
All right, cool. Yeah, I'm gonna kill the YouTube here. Does anybody have any final closing thoughts?
Yeah, look at that fucking kick-ass gold stock. You want to learn what, how to trade and fucking make money from trading? Listen to this fucking Beamish guy, man. And he's also one hell of a damn good shape.
You gonna leave your camera on for the daily
let's get
brief?
you on camera for that final closing thoughts here for everybody. I gotta, because you're not on YouTube.
Can we get him on camera for the start of the daily brief?
Oh, he's already gone.
No.
I was gonna give everybody. I was gonna end with Brian, but I guess they'll see him in the daily brief.
Yeah, get him turn his camera on for a second.
Yeah, maybe take a screenshot and then we can post that in the lounge for him just hopping out. So now we gotta lay a trap.
For tomorrow, I'm gonna do the. I've like seen people on like stupid social media lately just shave like a ring, so their beard. It's like they leave like a band across their head that wraps around their beard, and then they're just bald otherwise.
Wow.
You can do that, Kevin. See you on Wednesday.
No way, I can't sacrifice my good looks. It's what keeps this place running.
That's true.
All right, well, I'm gonna kill the YouTube. So